Today I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to import data from external sources like Excel files or CSV documents directly into your spreadsheet, saving you time from manually copying and pasting information. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the account where you want this spreadsheet to be saved. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Workspace dashboard where you can access all your Google applications. On the Workspace dashboard, you'll see various options for creating new documents. Go ahead and click on Blank Spreadsheet. This will open a fresh, empty Google Sheet where you can import your file. The page will load in a moment, giving you access to all the spreadsheet tools and features. Now that your blank spreadsheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on File, which will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your spreadsheet. From this menu, look for and click on Open. This is the gateway to accessing files from various sources, whether they're stored in your Google Drive or on your computer. A new window will pop up showing you different ways to access files. Here you'll see tabs for different locations like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Upload. Click on the Upload tab. This is where you can bring in files directly from your device. Once you're in the Upload section, click Browse to search through your computer's folders and locate the file you want to upload. Your computer's File Explorer will now open up. Navigate through your folders to find the specific file you want to upload to Google Sheets. This could be an Excel file, a CSV file, or any other compatible spreadsheet format. Once you've located it, click on the file to select it, then confirm your selection. The upload process will begin immediately. The file will now start uploading to Google Sheets. Depending on the size of your file and your internet connection speed, this might take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute or two. You'll usually see a progress indicator showing you how much of the file has been uploaded. Just be patient and let the process complete without closing the window. Once the upload is complete, the file will automatically appear in your Google Sheet. All the data, formatting, and structure from your original file should now be visible and ready to work with. You can now edit, share, or collaborate on this data just like any other Google Sheet. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.